Assalamu alaikum, dear fellow. Today I am talking about the history of most famous mathematician Augustus Louis Cauchy. No, first of all, I will introduce myself. Then I came to my topic. I am Muhammad Sajawal. I did FSc from Government Degree College Fatehpur. Now I continue BS Mathematics from University of Education Lahore. Now I came to my topic and great most famous mathematician Augustus Louis Cauchy. First I discuss about the main contents. Introduction, biography, studies, contribution in mathematics, contribution in other fields, quotation, references. Now let's start with introduction. Augustus Louis Cauchy was one of the most greatest mathematicians during the 19th century. There are 16 concept theorem named after him more than another mathematician. Now I will talk about his biography. Augustus Louis Cauchy, born 21 1789 Paris. Paris is the capital of France. He died May 23 1857. French mathematician who pioneered in analysis. He was one of the greatest mathematicians. Paris was a difficult place to live in when Augustus Louis Cauchy was a young child due to the political events surrounding the French Revolution. When he was 4 years old, his father, fearing for his life in Paris, moved his family to Arcoli. The son returned to the Paris and Cauchy father was active in education of Augustus Louis Cauchy. Laplace and Lagrange were visited as Cauchy family home. And Lagrange in particularly seems to have taken interest in young Cauchy mathematical education. Lagrange advised the Cauchy father that his son should obtain a good groundings in languages before starting the study of mathematics. In next slide, I will discuss about his studies. From 1804, Cauchy attended the classes in mathematics and he took in the entrance for École Polytechnique. In 1807, he graduated from École Polytechnique and entered engineering École des Ponts et Chaussées. He was outstanding for his practical work. He was assigned to the Or Canal project. You can see the picture of École Polytechnique where he graduated. Now I will discuss about the contributions in mathematics. Cauchy had many mathematical accomplishment. It would take several pages, if not several of books, to cover everything Cauchy has done or had an impact in field of mathematics. Cauchy-Riemann equation, Cauchy theorem, Cauchy integral formula, Cauchy principal value theorem. Cauchy-Riemann, the statement of Cauchy-Riemann equation is that if Wf of z is a possessive derivative at z is equal to z naught at every point in some neighborhood of z naught, then f of z is said to be analytic. And if CR equation is satisfied, then function is analytic. Now we discuss about Cauchy integral formula. If function f of z is analytic and its derivative continues all points inside on a simply closed curve, then integral of function will be 0. Now we discuss about Cauchy mean value theorem. Cauchy mean value theorem stated that if function f of x and g of x be continuous on a closed interval a of b, and f of x and g of x are differentiable in open interval a of b and g derivative is not equal to 0 in open interval a of b, then there is at least one value of c in a b such that these equations are exist. F of b minus f of a over g of b minus g of a is equal to f derivative of c over g derivative of c. Now I will talk about the contribution in other fields. First, he described the curvilinear integral. It is proved that the basic feature, the secondly group study series expansion of functions and complex concept viewed. Cauchy organized by mathematical theory of elasticity in the direction of mechanical. He facilitated and developed the theory of errors in astronomical calculations. He often used to say, I shall never flaunt the little learning that I have acquired through the care and help my father has given me. If I have learned anything, it is only because he took care to teach me. Had he not taken upon himself the trouble of instructing me, I would be as ignorant as many other children. References. Thank you. Any questions?